Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back and happy Valentine's Day. Thank you so much, Dobro Jutro Caro. Thank you so much for coming in, right? Well, okay, hi. Hi JJ, nice to see you. Right, thank you so much for coming in. Well, good. Okay, now very interesting, very interesting. Now everybody's in, and I'm very happy to see all of you here. Okay. Right. Okay, hi Sabrina. Wow, congratulations. You grabbed a 30 pips yesterday and just now you grabbed 20 pips. Wow, okay. Congratulations. Well, okay. Alright. Well, good job, good job. Wow, I think I missed out a lot during this festive season. Okay. Yeah. Right. And over here, let's take a look. What do we have here now? Okay. Well, I guess really a very bad news for me. Alright, okay. Sabrina is milking the market. That's quite true, huh? Alright, okay. Oh, okay. Let me get ready. Well, I think today is a fantastic one. Okay. Alright, so but for me, I guess we are already in the bear. Okay, let's take a look at the pound dollar. Well, let's take a look. After this, I think non-farm pushes everything down here, and after that we have some move up and push up back again. It went to take my target here, remember? Okay, so over at this point here, this has been taken. Alright, so no more for this, and I guess the next one to go will be lower, right? Okay, so let's see if we are going to take this area again. Alright, well, looks like it's possible, am I right? Okay, yes. Okay, New Year, Chinese New Year, Chinese Lunar New Year, right? Okay, and it's about time to get back to work. Okay, stop enjoying. Okay, I'm talking to myself now. All right, I just make sure that I have to be back. Okay, so yep. Well, and although I still have a lot of GDP to go. Well, okay, let's see. Okay. And well, okay. Nevertheless, okay, but we still have to make some money, right? Okay, market is still there, and I still have to be here to make it back. Okay, yeah. All right. So, well, I guess over the past 1 week, I think we did meet almost 1 week, right? Okay, almost a week, huh? Yeah. Okay, namaste, Wasim. Well, nice. It's a good news from you for about your profits. That's very good. Okay, and keep it up. Okay. Oh, okay. Well, we have around a month to go before the daylight savings. Okay, and so once again, all right. Okay, so let's see if we can do something. Okay, over here. All right, let's see. Okay, so once again, all right, I think yep, looks like over here we have plenty to replan again. Okay, we have this, which has been taken out, 126,168, right? 125,972, target met. And we have this again, this was over at this point here, has been taken out as well. All right. So what about this? All right. Okay. So I guess we still have some more to go. Okay. Then probably, yeah. Yes. I closed my sell trade before CPI news yesterday. You all know what happened after. I could be buying drinks for everyone today. Coulda, shoulda, and woulda. Alright. No worries. Okay. You will do. Yes, okay. Never mind. Alright. I think later we'll take a look. Okay. What is the happening with the coulda, shoulda, and woulda? Alright. So let's take a look. Well, this is so crazy, right? Okay. Yeah. And I guess for the goal wise, we also have many has been taken out. 2041, we have met this target as well. Taken out. And 2026 taken out. 400 pips missed out. No worries, it will be back for you again. Yeah, me too. I think I missed out a lot as well. Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. So I guess well, let's plan again. All right. Let's last week we ended on Thursday, right? Okay. So today's Wednesday. Wow, it's almost a week. Right. Okay, so let's take a look at pound dollar first. And I see that pound dollar, well, we are slowly getting out of this transition area from the bull back here into the bear. As we can see from the H4, the bull is into it, and now we are getting out, and now we are going into the bear. Well, looks like selling is still highly possible, and it seems like it is still potential to take this area here, 125. So we are still around there. Okay, so let's see if there's a good chance. Okay, if there's a good chance there. Right. So let's take a look at this area here. This one, correct? This is this? No, this. Okay. And wow, how many pips is this crazy pips, right? Okay. Yep. And we should be, well, okay. Let's take a look. Okay. Right. And over here. Okay. And right. Let's slowly, let's take a look. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Right. Okay, nice. Shall not move this green line because this is the H4 indication of this transition area. I think this is nice. Okay. Right. Yeah. Let me see. Resistance. Move this. Let's move this. Let me see. Well, right here. Okay. Okay. Right. area here. All right. Okay. Well, looks like we are still trying to take this area out to 125.25.1. Okay. Okay. So I guess today we can see there's plenty of still have plenty to go, huh? Okay. Okay, and one good area here. All right. Okay, let me do this out. Okay. Have this to take note. Okay. All right. Okay, so there's a few more to go. I think over at this 1 year, this area here, roughly another 45 pips. Well, don't cry for me, Argentina. Yeah. Well, good. Well, that's nice. Okay. Okay. So Bradley's singing now, huh? Okay. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Good. Okay. Looks like we have a few to go. All right, today. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Okay. Let's see what to get it, man. All right. Oh, yeah. Let's see. One area here. Yes, where's the face cam shows some black eyes and sore elbow after GDP. Hey, I'm here. Well, I think it's recovering. Okay. Okay, I have been very careful for the past GDP moment. Okay. Thank you for your love, care, concern. I hope your girlfriend's not there. Okay. Alright. Nice and young looking, yeah. Thank you. Right, okay. Yeah, and well, I guess for seller today, I think we going to stay put for a little while. I guess we are, right? Well, I think we don't really have our after the CPI just now. I think today we don't have much to worry. Okay, except for later on. Okay, Bailey's going to speak again. Okay, so tomorrow will be the GDP for the pound. Well, employment change for the Aussie. Okay, and not much after that will be unemployment claims, right? ESMI and retail sales for tomorrow. Okay, so other than that, I think should be quite okay. Yeah. All right. So today, should be quite GDP. Yeah. Okay. I think as for the goal wise, we are heading 1987, which is something that we are looking at 1981 previously. I think, yeah, we have plotted this for quite long ago. Yeah, finally, I think it's coming in, right? Okay. All right. And okay. Okay, so yep. And let's see, are we going to get this area for the goal? Okay. I guess 95 billion. I think this figure is very familiar to everybody. 95 billion has been issued out. I guess very soon we are going to see 1834. We're going to see 1834. Okay, this area here. All right. I think probably, am I right? Okay, probably 1834. All right. So anyway, well, looks like things are going to turn better, where Ukraine has successfully bring down one warship. Am I right? Okay, and I don't know what's going to be like. Okay, anyway, I guess it should be somewhere. All right, then well, this over at this point here, I think let's look at 1981 first. I think this is an area that it should be quite quite a tough one. Okay, yeah, so okay, let's see. Right, and along the way, okay, along the way, I don't think there's any much more to see. Let's see, for me myself, I'm looking into 1981 fall. Okay, to take out this area first. Then after that, let's see where it goes. Then there will be a clearer picture for this area, because I think we have a few areas to take note. Am I right? Okay. So as for me, I'm looking into this area here, right? Yeah, yes, 1982 is target. Yep. Okay, so let's wait and see if we have something there for us. Okay, so yeah, we also need a pullback to 1990. Okay, 1990. Right. Okay. Okay, let's check 1990. Okay, over here, let's see H1. Yeah, I think should be 1990 slightly. Yeah, over here, 78, around there. Yeah, yeah, it can be a nice buy from 1982. Okay, yeah, okay, so let's wait and see. I guess today we have plenty to wait. Okay, yeah, Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin, we have meet up with 50 and hovering around that area. Okay, so are we heading to 55, which is our target up there? Okay, yeah, all right, 55. Yeah, okay, so if we meet up with 55, I guess there's a lot of trader will be going crazy, right? Especially Hubert side, huh? Okay. All right, and I think that is one. Okay, but the thing is that well, I think there isn't any much for me to talk about this for now. All right, yeah, 50K is a huge psychological level. Yeah, exactly. So I agree. You know, I know Hubert side, there are groups there. There's a group there. When it hits 50, they are thinking of whether to realize the profit or to continue to hold it. So yeah, let's see. Okay, I don't know. Anyway, anyway, this I am the last 2 weeks when it actually started to drop. When it started to drop, okay, a little bit here, right? was I think it was here, right? Okay, yeah. So when they actually, well, it I think it was somewhere around here, correct? Somewhere around here, yeah. Okay, beginning of the Feb, yeah. And when we meted, oh my God, when you met this area, okay. I guess there's a few of, I mean, there's quite a few of you actually went in on the 21st here, you know, when it comes into 30, 38, you know, something like that. Okay, yeah. So over here in this area, I think Hubert side, when they actually meet up with 40, they realize the profit, right? Okay, so and the other group was actually moving in 30 and moving in 40 again, 40 again. Okay, so moving in 40 again. Well, I think it's, of course, I mean, right now you're looking at this average about based on simple calculation is about 10k in value of profits now. Over here, well, were it actually still breaking through this 50 to go to 55? By looking at it, my thoughts, and by looking through whatever all the news there, 55 is possible. It's a possible move where we actually talk about it in the December, right? Okay, I think it's in December. Well, but the thing is that there may be then you know, not every day is Sunday with this kind of move. You get what I mean? All right. Okay, so I will still be looking into 55, although I'm still looking into 55. But when it comes to 50, I will also wanted to take a step back to look at the general picture before any decision made. But if you ask me, okay, on the other side, okay, I am still looking at 55. I'm still looking at 55. All right. Okay. Yeah, I think that for Bitcoin, we know that in general we are looking into a longer term. Am I right? Into a longer term. Okay. Yeah. So not, I won't spot it. I won't spot it. Okay, this is just something. Okay, sell order just watching, need waiting. Yeah, probably yes. Okay, yeah. How many sell orders are there just waiting for Bitcoin? Honestly, I don't really go into in-depth with this Bitcoin so much, so that looking into those sell orders or this, because right now, you know, it's just like the situation centuries ago in Rome. So so I guess there's plenty of fights there. So I just probably have to just to stay away first. Yeah. But yeah, I missed out this 10k move. Okay, yes, I know. Stop rubbing salt into my wound. Okay. Okay, so yep, anyway, right. Okay, so at the moment right now, let's take a look at pound dollar. Yep, and for pound dollar, we are, so at the moment, nice move here. Okay, from this morning when I woke up to take a look. Okay, and it was like you know, it was like recovering this area here. You know, it was recovering this area here to break even higher, but you know, but it did not break through successfully when the CPI comes in, right? Okay, for the pound. Yeah, and for this case, now we are actually leveling off down to this area here, looking into this area whether it will actually take down this area, you know. Well, yeah, beauty of the market, it provides opportunity all the time. Yes, I agree. It feels so good to finish a job in the key belt. Oh, really? Oh, I have not done my I have not done my job yet. Yes. All right. Okay. So yep. At the moment, yes. At the moment, seems like it is still they are still in shock from the news. All right. Not surprising that not surprising if it's moving very slowly, because I think we are getting pretty near. Okay, we're getting pretty near into this area here. Yeah. So we have a pivot up there. Yes. Okay. So ultimately, we still like to see. All right. Hi MK, nice to see you. As long as you are here, you are never late. Okay, so yep, and let's see if there's any pullback. No, pound dollar. If we are sellers, have to wait for the pullback. Okay. We have to wait for the pullback for the sellers. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we have to wait for the pullback. I won't be selling this area here, because over here, if I'm going to sell, it will be going for a low chase. I will chase the low. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Christmas market. Okay, so do we have presents there? We want presents there. Okay. Right, from here, this area, yes, Sabrina. Okay, we have about 50. Okay, just now the drop was about 50 pips. 50 pips. Okay. Yeah. That drop is about, this is the one, right? Okay, so it's about 40 pips here. Okay. Yeah. Right. Okay. Okay, so now, okay. Then let's see. Yeah. Well, okay, good. This area here. One bounce back here. We are looking into this. Okay, over at this point here. Yeah. Right. MK, Happy New Year. This year is a dragon year for the Chinese. Dragon, dragon. So dragon is an auspicious creature. Okay. And you know what? Today is today is a day where the Chinese will welcome the god of fortune or god of wealth into their place. In many, don't know how many donkey years ago, there is this saying that today is a day where the god of wealth will come, and you have to welcome them. Well, you will welcome the god of wealth to bring wealth into your place. So that explains why I'm here today. But I missed the drop. Hey, hi Martini. All right, thank you for coming in, Martini. Got sell on all these instruments. I hardly trade on them. All right, I hardly trade on them. Yeah. Okay. But I will usually refer them. Yeah. Okay, so yes, you're right, Carlo. yes, you're right. Yeah, dragon, yeah. Okay, so yeah, and over here, okay, and over here, let's see. Looks like we are buyers. It's more on the buyer side for now. Although we are in the selling, okay, right now we're looking into this area, okay, this area, and reading back Okay, then this is and this is going to looks like we are still in the bear. We are still looking to selling. So for sellers, if you are looking for selling, do remember to wait patiently for some pullback with a new resistance. Then we will be able to sell. All right. So at the moment, I think they are recovering from the shock. Okay. So hang on, buyers. If you are going to buy, all right, then you have to wait. Okay, you have to be careful. All right, you have to be careful because this may be a pullback only. All right. Yes, for the gold 1982. All right. Oops, it bounced back a bit when I look at it. Okay, 1982. Okay, let's go. Hi HS Farm, how are you? Well, okay, right. Okay, our gold digger went into XNS. Okay, yes, yeah, all right. Okay, so let's see. Okay, hi Yue Ting. Yes, thank you so much, Yue Ting. 新年快乐，新年快乐，新年快乐，新年快乐，新年快乐。All right, and yes. 财源滚滚啊！谢谢你呀！祝福你全家安康、开心、幸福。Okay, right? Yeah. I'm not working today, but I would love to share your video with all my families. Oh, really? Thank you very much. 哎，各位 uncle auntie 们 ，OK， 新年快乐！祝福你们，祝你们身体健康，出入平安，开开心心，幸福满满。All right. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yes. Gold digger report for duty from Quebec. Yeah, I'm sell side in the gold and euro dollar. What do you think? Okay. And well, let's take a look. Okay. All right. And let's see for the euro dollar first. Okay, as for the gold, we are looking into the sell side to 1981, 1982. Okay. All right. So euro dollar, yes, we are also looking for some selling, as we can see for this area here. We are already for the euro dollar, we are looking for selling from last week. I think the resistance. Before I went for my festive celebration, okay, we have really looked out for all this area. It broke this, okay, and it also broke this 1082.12. Okay, it also break this. Then after that, the next one is here. Right, so it also cleared this area. I think just now, nice. Yesterday, not just now. Okay, so we are looking into area like here. And also resistance is here. Okay, let me check. Let me see, is it correct for today? Okay, so we have one support area here. If this is going to break, we are going to take 1069.25. Okay, right, 106925. Okay, yeah, okay, all right. Okay, so all right, then let's see. If you're on the sell side, okay, you are still on the sell side, I will be looking into this area. If we are into the sell side, okay, we are going to sell. We are trying to break 1069.25. 1069.25, and be looking into this area here. All right, 106.54.6. all right, so once it breaks this whole area, take down 106.925, then we should be looking out into area like here, 106.346. 106.346. okay. Yeah, so this is the area that I'm looking out for. Okay, yeah, I think this is quite obvious here. All right, so selling is still there, but now because of the news, I guess because of the news. All right, and the selling from yesterday, the CPI, and we may be looking short term to 1069.25 first to look out for support. After that, it may have some reclamation. All right, so just be careful. Okay. All right. Okay. So for the gold, yeah, for the gold wise, we are still looking into 1981, 1982 area. Correct. Yeah, 1981 area. 1981 to 1982 area. Sorry, to be exact, it should be 1982, 1982, 27. 1982, 27. All right, so it should be around there. Okay, yeah. So we are still looking for some selling. However, okay, we also, in order to sell further down, we may be looking out for some resistance up there here. All right, so we still need some resistance to able to sell down. Okay, so looking into this area here. All right, yeah, so that it can continue the selling off. All right. Okay. Yep. All right. Yep. So 1988 now, we are coming to 1990 over here, 1990, 78. So let's see if this area is going to build some selling. Okay. If not, they are going to take this 1993, which not really 1993. The opening of the day here, you can see all these highs here. All right. So these are the area. Okay. Yeah. All right, you are most welcome. Okay, as long as you have profits, we have profits together. Okay, yeah. Okay, so pound dollars on the way to the buy side. Yeah, we are shooting the birds up there. Yes. Okay. Okay, that's good. All right. Yeah, and let's see. Yeah, and moving towards the north, I think highly likely, let's look at this whole area here. This whole area may be an area, okay, they are actually looking out for. Yeah, they are, okay, the pound is actually trying to recover from the shock. One shock has not recovered yet, another shock comes in. Wow, I think the pound is going to face a lot of challenge this year. Okay. Yeah. And dollar yen. Okay. Yes, dollar yen. Yeah. We are once again back to 140. As we can see previously, we are all talking about this area 148, 110 or 109, 148, 109 here. Right. And these areas has no, they managed to get it. Okay, and as we can see, they are still trying to build another round. 150, can you imagine, it's back to 150 again. All right, so we are coming back to the highs again of 152, 151, 151.9, correct? Okay, so over into this area, okay, into this area here. All right, okay. So this is the highs here? Okay. 151.9, correct. 151.9. Okay. Okay, roughly here. Okay. Right. So as we can see, it swing back down here to take this area. Well, nicely done. Okay. Are you going to watch Ed Sheeran's concert? Wow, all of a sudden in Singapore. Yeah, I think so. I don't know. Ed Sheeran, huh? Okay. No, I don't have time for that. I wish them all the best anyway. Okay. Yep. Okay. Okay. So over at this point here. Okay, looks like they break it nicely. They bring it up nicely as well. So the structure is so beautiful. So buying of dollar yen is still ongoing. So no for selling. Definitely no for selling. Right? I won't be looking out for selling. No. Okay. Okay. Yep. No for selling, huh? Alright. Let's wait for it to test the resistance first. It has not tested the resistance yet. Not even a minor one. Okay. So whatever stars you call, there's still good chance that the dollar is still going to get stronger. It's always like I won't say I won't say that. Okay, I won't say that. Yeah, but the thing is that if they have the capability to fork out 95 billion, okay, okay, then I think it shows something. They are trying to show the world. Okay, they are trying to show the world what they have. Okay. Of course, not forgetting we also have this November event. What's the big thing in this November? What is the big thing in this November? Yeah. Okay. Right. So yes, Bradley, US presidential run. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So fast, huh? Okay. So well. So there's a lot of times, a lot of things there, huh? Orabash boy back in the oval room, orange. Orange. I will talk about what is Orabash. Okay. Okay. What do you mean by back in the oval room? Okay, so the goal wise, I guess just now we had talked about it, right? We may be going back to test the opening 1990 to 1993. 1990, there's one level, and 1993 here. Okay. Oh, I see. Orange boy. Okay, equal Trump. I see. Okay. I didn't know about that. I didn't know about this. Okay. Okay. Right. Okay. And then let's see what we have here. And okay. Yes, so without sounding all my wrong confusion out, what is the best way to cap a downside move? What is the best way to assess bullish price action given current market conditions, short or long term? Right. Oh, I see. It looks like an orange. Okay. Okay. All right. Yes. Wrong confusion. What is the best way to cap a downside move, or what is the best way to assess bullish price action given current market condition? Okay. Let's talk about using maybe pound dollar. Okay. Let's talk about pound dollar. Well, first of all, we will use pound dollar. Okay. I think a pound dollar is a very classic, one classic example, right? So we can take a look at a bigger time frame, like from day one, okay, to H4. I usually to assess general, in terms of general, okay. Then in this case, what we will do is then, okay, I look at some so-called structure. Okay, look at some structure. So when the selling off from this area here, you can see some selling off here. When the selling off, all right, when it start to stop, okay, when it start to stop, it start to hover around this area from the last support, when it created a support, and it started to hover around the support here. So it also means what I usually say, from the bear selling off, and it started to go a little bit sideways into, this is what I usually call the transition area, because they are trying to transform the bear into the bull. So once you have once it have going sideways, you can see the high and the lows, in the high and the lows in this area. So once it has a breakout of the highs and the highs here, the transformation, the transition has successfully transformed the bear into the bull. So the bull went on running until this area. It created a high and a low. Can you see a high and a low here? And it went sideways again, correct? Right. Then this is another transition area from the bull waiting to become a bear, or to break out further to go continue the bull. You get what I mean? If you get what I mean, for this point, you put in an OK for me first. Okay, put in an OK for me. All right, can you comment an OK for me? Okay. Yeah, and okay, so I make sure that I'm just trying to make sure that you guys get what I say, huh? Okay. Yeah. So in terms of reading that, okay, in terms of the reading, okay, I will look at this area first. All right. So so by looking into this, okay, by looking into this area, okay, that will actually tells me some about the trend. Okay, is it ending soon? Okay, is it actually coming to the end of the trend? Right. So is it going to change? Is the trend is going to change? Yeah. So that is one. Okay, that's one. That is one. Right. So okay, then from there, okay, as you can see, if we are looking into some all the structure, all the technical analysis, all this kind of thing, all right, as you can see, in this area where I just explained on my view, okay, you will see something like double bottom. Okay, you will see something like W. Okay, something like this. Okay, all the structures will start to form inside here. So once it's formed inside here and it actually go with so-called double bottom, and it actually start to break out, okay, the double bottom area, obviously it still works for that theory. Okay, if you're using double bottom, double top, W, M, whatever, okay, it is going to work. Okay, so but of course, at certain point when it don't work, that means if the price went back into the area of the transition area, so it went back to the transformation, they have not confirmed the transformation, so the trend may continue to fall. Okay, right. So like you said, there's no best way whether you are going to cap a downside, I would say. All right, that's only the best way is you follow what the market is showing you, is trying to tell you. Okay, I'm going to explain this part for you. For this area here, when it started to move as a bull, so for months, since December, I've been trading very carefully with pound dollar because we are in the transformation, we're in the transition area. So until early this Feb, we have we look at this area that is breaking out, correct? It's breaking out. So I'm actually looking into this area. Oh, very happy. Yeah, it's breaking out. Yeah, then you know why am I very happy? Is because it's something like a double top area, correct? It's like a double top. Whether you call double top or multiple top there, all right, okay. You can see it's actually getting out of this area. So can you see this is like a sideway? In fact, it's like a transition area. correct? It's from the bull running, and then the bull is running up, then it started to come down, right? Okay, so now it seems like it's coming out of this area. So once it's coming out of this area, all right, then we are actually looking more onto the selling. Well, will it actually go back? Yes, when it goes back, hold that in the mind that they are back into the transformation area. So it may go either way. Yeah, so it may go buy, may coming sell. Then in the end, it still go back to it's still going back to the sideway. So once it get out of the area, I will have more confidence and much more easier for me to sell when they break out of this whole area here and the prices below here. Okay, so it will be easier for me. So when we go down further down into H1, as you can see, this is the area, this green line, correct? So anything that retests and hold as a resistance below this green line, 126, 106, I will be looking out for selling. Okay, I'll be looking out for selling. All right. So anything that is inside here, okay, if they're selling or buying, I will need to assess even more, okay, to confirm before I actually go for a trade. All right. Up here, because up here, this is a transformation area, but this is clearer to become a bear area, correct? Okay, this is an area which is more confirmed, which is an area that is a bear. So I think that is much easier. Okay. Then of course, but over at this area here, right? To assess whether the bullish price action or the bearish price action, okay. Just now I was telling you this is a bigger time frame, correct? A bigger time frame to assess the general. In fact, okay, if we are going to make it easier, okay, you can have the same concept. All the way down to M5, using the same concept to find an entry. All right, so M5 concept in line with H4 concept, okay, you will be able to get a dip. It's very simple. Okay, these are some small tricks because M5 is either is a starting move to change the H4 or it is a pullback and a new wave of selling from the H4. There's some fundamental concept in there. Okay. Hi Nayan squad. Can you see euro dollar? Okay, let's take a look at euro dollar for example. Okay, euro dollar, we are looking into selling. Target is 106.925. 106.925 to set up the support before it goes back. It is still looking out for some. It is still looking out for some support, okay, and to go back to take the liquidity up there before it can continue the selling, okay. But all in all, it is still on the selling side, okay. Generally, euro dollar is on the selling side. Okay, guys. So let's use euro dollar to explain just now what Sam is asking. Okay, Sam. All right. So over at this point here, all right. Let's take a look. In general, day one, correct? The selling off, correct? Selling off. So it went back, correct? It went back, but there isn't any of the sideways as we can see, correct? It didn't go sideways that much. As we can see, like a pound dollar, a very classic example. Right, so, but when we go down to a lower time frame, you can see the sideways is here, correct? But usually try to use day one or H4, okay? Not into M5. M5 will have a lot of sideways, correct? Right, so over here, then you will find day one or H4, you can see. You see the bear is coming down here. So from here, you can see the sideways. This area here, correct? This area here. All right, so once this area, it broke up above, it broke out of the sideways here. Okay, this whole area, I'm talking about this whole area. Okay, roughly here. Okay, let me highlight this box so that you can see clearer. Okay, so I use a white one. Okay, so you can see this area. You can see it broke out It started to broke out and it started to move. Am I right? When it broke out, correct? So this area, you can find a lot of whatever you like to call double bottom, okay? All right, or what do you call, whatever you call, okay? Anyway, the range is here, correct? So once it moves, it went up. It goes up again. It goes up again. It goes up again, come down again. There isn't any sideway that you are looking out for, correct? Right, so what you will be looking out for are things like somewhere here. Can you see? Somewhere here. So it went up, it created an area like it's about to go for a sideway, but it broke through, right? Okay, so in this area here, look out to this area. Why are we looking out into this area here is because when we look back to the left side, when there is nothing like this, okay, when there's nothing like this, you have to take other things for more reference. So end of the day, you look at this to this area here. Can you see this area here? There's an area called, there's a structure, not an area, sorry. There's a structure called the head and shoulder area here. Okay, can you see? Okay, this is a head and shoulder area. Can you see a head and shoulder area? Okay, so by looking into this area, the head and shoulder area, the shoulders, okay, the shoulders here, okay, it has become an area. So with this area here, if we move, okay, to this, currently it will be a turbulence area for this, okay. Right, let me take this away first. So you can see it can move like this to this area. So when there's no sideway, when there's no sideway, whether it's double bottom to move out as a buy, then it hits into this area, when it hits and stop here, they're bound to have a reason. Look to the left. Is there any structure? Head and shoulder structure. If there's head and shoulder structure here, okay, this will become an area that is a transformation area, where usually I call it from the bull transit into the bear. So whether it transit, once it get out of this area, it started to sell, correct? It started to sell, correct? It started to sell. Well, I think this will be the transit area. Okay, this from this head and shoulder, okay, this whole area here, this will be the transit area. Always look out for transit area from the bear running down. Of course, the classic one always is the went down, then is going sideways. This is the classic one. These are not the classic one. This one is you have to put in a little bit effort to understand what's the fundamental, okay, to assess out the area that the bull is going to run, where the bull is going to run into the area of transition to the bear. Okay, so once you get this, right, once you come back and break out again and went back again, can you see another round of head and shoulder here? So it's all basing on, these are all basing on structure. So in this whole area, I will not sell in this area. If you still remember why I plotted 109.845 for euro dollar as a resistance, is because of all this. The head and shoulder here, head and shoulder created in, it ran in, first of all, it ran into this. First of all, okay, the head and shoulder here, where the price went into this area, is actually the area from the left side. So it's an area to become my transition area. So when it broke down, I will say that, okay, it's coming back to the bear. It's selling off, but unfortunately, of course, this is another area we need to take note. Some liquidity they are here to take out the liquidity support. It went back. So it went back. After it went back, it created one high here. It broke out of this area and it went up, right? So naturally, I'll be thinking, okay, it's breaking out of that structure. Why is breaking out of that structure? Because here, look at this area here, this little area here. Okay, so initially was here. Then after that, we have one little sideway here that created a inverse head and shoulder sideway here, correct? That means the selling trend ended here. and then it break out, then it should be going up again. So this should be gone. You get what I mean? Okay, so putting this aside, let's put this aside first. Then let's use this. But previously we have this, am I right? We have this, okay, because of this. Then after that, it started to create another one here, okay. It doesn't mean that once you transit into the bear will sell off all the way down. Not necessary. It's just talking about this. When this appear, it's just telling me that the selling from here ended. That's all. Okay, so it's ready to go back. Once it go back, it created another high. I will be thinking, okay, you are going for a bull because you broke out of this area. Am I right? Okay, it broke out of this area. It should be going up for more. But again, it only stopped at this resistance level. So the resistance here, still a resistance. It will still create something, okay? Selling off down again, back into the transition area. Then I will be very careful with this area. When trading with this area, I will be very careful. See? Okay, over here. So it becomes a head and shoulder, am I right? Once it broke out of this head and shoulder area, you can see sideways already. So this may be, sometimes when we look at the smaller time frame, then we may be thinking, this is only a fake out. So the same concept applies here. So it may be a fake out, and it comes back to this area because of all this to form a head and shoulder. So once it broke out of this area, I'll be looking for selling. But when I look out for selling, I'll be very careful with this area. Okay, so all this thing into this. Okay, into this area here. So you see, when you see this area here, can you see? When you look at this area, it comes selling nicely into the area, and when it comes to this area, there's a lot of turbulence again. So these are the areas. All these are the areas that I'm talking about. Okay, right? Do you do chart review in your Discord? As a back trader, I don't think my first few markup of my charts or example financial instrument will be near perfect, but any criticism and insights helps. No criticism, don't worry. Okay, anything that you post will be a great help. Okay, to everybody. Okay, all right, yeah. Chart review in my Discord. I try my best. Okay, because of the time constraint. I hope you understand. Yeah. But first of all, do you guys understand what I'm saying about all this here? So back to the basic of the concept, okay. Back to the basic of the concept. It's very simple. Look at the bigger time frame with one big move. Okay, one move down, one trend down with sideways. Okay, look out for sideways and broke out the sideways, and you know this is the beginning of the selling. This is the end of the selling and the beginning of the buying. That's all. Then look out. Then find the next. Then find the next selling. Find the end. Find the next ending of the bull, the beginning of the bear. Just that. So pluck out of this concept, bring it to the smaller time frame to find entry. Okay. All right. Okay. And yep. Okay. Ken. Yeah, I mean, Sam, you can post. You can post in the Discord. Okay. I think anyone there can also give you some advice, some help as well. Everybody can just do some discussion there so that can help. All right. Okay. So everybody can discuss that as well. Okay. No worries. I will try my best. If I got the time, I will also reply you there. Okay. So yeah, that's for the euro dollar example. Okay, but for pound dollar is a classic example. It's a classic example where you see the sideways, swing down, sideways, swing up, sideways, swing down and look out for another one. You get what I mean? Okay, but of course, this is only a general. It's only a general view. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. For currency. What's it, are you there? Anyone there? Since you're asking this, why not we just share one very, very simple trading method. Okay. I cannot say it will work on everybody, but but in Germany, okay, we have a so-called Forex toddler class. Okay, Forex toddler class, and I'm not sure if anybody interested in this class. Okay, it's going to be very, very simple. It's hell lot of simple analysis. Are you interested? It's really very simple, and I have in fact yesterday, alright, yeah, you know Sophia, yeah, okay, I received a call from her, okay, yeah, Sophia, yes, yeah, in Berlin, the Sophia in Berlin. I'm very happy, to be honest, guys. I'm very happy that Sophia actually shared with me, that she went through a lot on the emotional side, okay, discipline side, until she just simply got back into the very basic toddler class when I taught, okay, years back. And you know what happened? She was telling me she's going to quit her full-time job because right now she has maintaining about 6 to 8 months, I think. Yeah, 6 to 8 months with a profits about sometimes 8 to 10k on the average, 8 to 10k dollar USD every month, just using that very, very simple toddler class. So she was saying that I learned too much and I confused myself. So she just make use of a very, very simple toddler class to do her trading. Then she got 8 to 10k, yeah, for the past 6 to 8 months. Yeah, and every month she got about 8 to 10k. So she was consulting me whether is she okay to go for a full-time trader. Okay, she's going to quit her job. Okay, yeah, so for those that actually these are the very toddler, very simple, really, really hell lot simple trading method. Yeah, and this is really very, very simple. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so I was so it's really so simple, you know. Yeah, so just keep trading as simple as possible. Yeah. But of course, this very simple method, when I use that, and I use that in some teaching, some sharing in Southeast Asia, okay, it's not popular. It's really not popular. Because everybody is thinking, are you sure it's so simple? Are you sure? Are you sure? They have a lot of doubts. Yeah. So, but it's true. It is true. It is very, very simple. Yeah. Yeah. Cowboy style, huh? Okay. So, yeah. Do you guys want to know that very simple style? But I want returns. If I'm going to teach you this very simple style, I want returns. Okay? Seriously, I want returns. Okay? I am being very serious. Okay. I want a cup of Starbucks. Okay, just a joke, yeah, right. Okay. It's really very simple. Just first of all, just like just like just like this is just like what you have what I have just shared. Okay. Aha, teach us. Yes, Katin, namaste. Yes, Carol, yes, teach us. Okay. Look at the goal first. Look at the goal. Okay. Got the goal, yes, we are achieving 1990. Just like Carol just now was sharing with us. Okay, 1990. Okay. We are looking out to challenge the high first. Then after that, we'll be looking out for some selling. I'm looking at 1982, 82. There's one area here, 83. Have to be careful. But generally, I think if this goal can achieve 1993, I think that should be a good selling area if the selling comes in. Okay. Boom, 1990. Yes, it is. Congratulations, 15 pips TP. Well done. All right. Yeah. I think it's as simple as what Caro is trading. Okay. Yeah, it's very simple. It's very simple. Okay. Yes, X and S. Okay. Yep. And well, as for that, I think it's also very simple. Yes. So we consider stock tweets reliable financial education resource to learn about the market. Oh, I see. Well, if you ask me, usually, okay, my answer is always the very very official answer. Okay, let's take it this way. Many of us we use different things like indicators. Okay, indicators, correct. When we use different indicators, I would say that all indicators works. All formulated system works. All formula works. It depends on how do you use it. Okay. Can I hold a goal in sell? 1990 is one area that we are looking out for some selling, but they may be challenging this area, 1993. Okay. But the selling for the goal, I would say, okay, there's still a lot of potential to sell down. Me personally, I'm looking at 1977. 1977. Okay, this is one area to look out for the profits. Okay, so if you are, I think you have already sold, right? So probably you may want to look out for 1990 first. Hang on with that first. Okay, hang on with that. Hang on with this first. Of course, don't hold 100 pips. Okay, please. Okay. Okay, so look at the area here. Okay, I'm looking into this small area here between this 1997 all the way up here. Okay, all right. Okay, so no, okay, please don't hold 100 pips. Okay, yeah, all right. Okay, so and this is something against the risk management. Okay, so hang on first. 1990 may be an area that it can bring down to take down 19. Let me see. Sorry, 1984. It may. 86 to 83. This area. Still this area. Okay, right? Yeah. Okay. So generally it's still on the selling side. Now you are experiencing some pullback. Okay. Yeah. But of course, like I say, but for this, it's not really this. You can see that this is a little bit sideways here, right? But not really a good sideways to look at the moment now. Okay, it's just that they have taken some liquidity down there and pull back a little bit. That's all. So it's still they have created another liquidity here. So there's still plenty. Okay, there's still plenty to take. Okay, still plenty to take. Holy man, what's happening? Oh my god, I just saw the news. Thank you, Hubert. Bitcoin 51. Holy. Okay. No wonder all of you are cheering down there. Okay. Alright, congratulations. Okay, keep on holding then. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, that's for the goal. Okay. Right, HS. Okay, so this area there may be some selling off from 1990. But just now, XNS, our gold digger highlighted to something to take note also is a good point. They may be taking the challenge to reach 1993 for the opening. So please be careful with that also. Alright. Okay. Wow, nice pump. Yeah, indeed. Indeed a nice pump from the gold. From the Bitcoin. Oh man. Okay. I know. Yes. You're most welcome, HS Farm. Okay. Yeah. Right. Okay. So today is wow, the pound dollar also keeps selling off. Well, while we are talking, it sold off to my target. Okay. Yeah. It's taking out 125.3988. Yeah. Okay. Well, and Sabrina is there smiling, laughing, right? Okay, I know. Then congratulations. Okay, we are still heading down to my area here. 125.398. Okay. Well done, Sabrina. Okay. Okay, Sabrina just taken a 10 pips. Okay. Congratulations. Well done. Okay, so yep. And alright. Let's see. Okay. We since we're already in the bear. So they are looking for support down there. So still waiting. Okay, still waiting. Then so let's see if there's any pullback first. Okay. If there's any pullback, then there may be a better selling. Anyway, H4 is going to open soon, so just take note. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Right. Yeah. Okay. And this area here, okay, when we look at this area here, okay, we are now getting into the bear area. Okay, it's getting into the bear area. Right. Okay. Probably we should hold a toddler class for everybody, huh? Okay. It's very simple. It's really very simple. Okay. We have about 20 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes. Okay, we shall hold a separate one, huh? Okay. A separate one. Yep. Let's see. Sabrina, after squeezing the market maker. After squeezing the market maker, Caro was saying that. Okay, yep, and okay. Looks like over here. Okay, looks like it's over here. Okay, let's see. 20 minutes. Are you ready, guys? I have nothing to trade now. There's really nothing for me to trade anymore. Okay, who's there? Anyone there? Hey guys, anyone there? Okay. Let me share with you. Okay, how's this wonderful lady in Germany, Berlin? Okay, she managed to capture all these pips. Okay, she's running on a very simple strategy. Okay, all right, and the concept is very simple. The pips is still a scalping pips. Okay, but when it comes to stop loss, whenever she see a new turn, then she will call for a stop. She don't hold. Previously, she did 100 trades, as you know, you guys know, right? My students, okay, my students. I always make them do 100 trades using one strategy, one method, to let them realize how are they going to how do they fare themselves in this method, you know. Yeah, she did 100 trades and she did the second 100 trades, but after in the midst of the third 100 trades, she lost. She has one SL and she went crazy. Okay, long story short, you must know SL is good. As long as the SL is only within 2 to 3 trades you can recover, then you should call for the stop. Okay, all right. Let's not talk about the SL. Today is a day where we welcome the God of wealth, right? Okay, God of fortune. So let's move into something positive. Okay, right. Very simple, very simple. Okay, very simple. Okay, very simple strategy. Okay, a toddler class. Okay, so today on the Valentine's Day, last 20 minutes. Okay, last 15 minutes. Last 15 minutes. What we are going to do is that, all right, we always number one. Okay, number one. All right. What we are going to do is that we're going to identify in H4. Okay, in H4. H4 is a very simple time frame that we only need to identify candles pattern. Okay, we have 3 time frames to look out for. 3 main time frames. Just 3 main time frames. H4, H1, and M5. Just 3 main time frames. Okay, all right. Okay, so these 3 main time frames, okay, we are going to look out for the same thing. Okay, the only the same thing that we are looking out for is actually very similar that to a very basic support and resistance. Okay, so what we are going to do is that, okay, what we are going to do is that, first of all, in H4, okay, H4 always look out for a move, one move up. Okay, so over here, make it short and sweet. We always look for GRR, green red candle. Green red candle. That means green candle, red candle, red candle. Okay, like this. Green candle, red candle, red candle. Got it? Okay. So whenever you are on the conservative side, green candle, red candle, when it stops to open another red candle, okay, you will take a trade on the third candle, on the second red candle. Okay, so green, red, red. Okay, so you can also take trade when it's actually green and red. Okay, so first of all, identify in H4 green and red candle, and importantly, this green and red candle, it must come in the good position of resistance. For example, up here. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, can you see this? Okay, let me draw another line. For this candle, okay, this candle, okay, this one. Can you see a green red candle? Okay, this will be the resistance, right? So this resistance you always have to refer back to the left side. Okay, the left side. Okay, so is this left side touching another resistance on the left? Always looking on the left. So this is the, if this is the green red coming down, you have to wait for the next round that the candle should be touching this resistance, right? So if this is going to touch this resistance, okay, like this candle, of course, it went 100 of pips down, then it went back, am I right? Okay, it touched this, okay, from here, it touches this, right? When you start to have green and red candle, okay, so let's plot a line here, a vertical line, which is standing on 2024 2nd of Feb, okay, 1200 hours. So we go to H1, okay, let's take a look. Okay, which is here. And from H1, you look out for green and red candle once again. Very simple. All are talking about green and red, green and red, green and red. Okay, so once you see green and red candle, where it's actually touching on the H4 resistance, this will be the point. Okay, this will be the point to get ready. Then after that, M5, okay, we're going to shrink down into M5, all right? Okay, let's look at M5. M5 is here, am I right? 2024 2nd of Feb. So in M5, over here, you look out for green, red, red before you enter for a trade. You must have green, red, red to enter for a trade. Green, red, red. Okay, green, red, red. Like this. See? Green, red. Once it closes, the next red candle, once the red candle appear to be below the red candle here, okay, you don't have to wait for it to close. You don't have no time to wait for it to close, okay? Once the candle bypass the lowest of the previous red candle, inclusive of the wick, the entry will be here, okay? Right, so usually, what is the potential pips to take, right? You can do scalping from a minimum of 5, okay? But maximum of 20 pips, okay? Maximum of 20 pips, okay? So, yeah, it's so simple, all right? It's just simple as that, okay? All right, okay. So simple, right? Yeah. Understand now? Okay. So you see, H4. Okay. So let's do this for this example. If this H4, okay, this H4 created a resistance here, right? But looking into the left side, the resistance is up here, correct? So the basic way, the very basic of the toddler class is to wait for the H4 to go back up here, then you sell down. But you make use of support and resistance theory. So over here, there's a support, correct? Which also become a resistance up here. So they have tested. So here we have resistance, correct? Yes, this is the very basic one. So here we have previous support has become the resistance here. It's also a resistance. So when this comes in, you can sell this off. Okay, you can sell this off, right? Okay, so from here to here touches the resistance here, you can sell this off. This is one area, okay? This is one area of resistance here. So when it went down, it come out again into this area. It formed the green red candle, then go to H1, make sure it's also the same green red candle. M5, you look out for green, red, and red for entry. Okay, yeah, and that's where you can get from the scalping from 5, a maximum of 20. Okay, you can go for that. Okay, right? Yeah. Do you get it? Hey guys, do you get it? Okay, yeah. Right, so over here, so this is one area. Okay, let's move. For this one is a whole area, correct? This is the whole area of support. Well, it comes in to test and it become a resistance. Okay, so next, okay, so let's take this. Okay, let's take this area here. This area support where all my support here, right? Correct. This is a whole of support. This is the area, correct? Remember, this area here, these are all the whole area support here. Okay, so you see this candle, the currently it went back, test on this as a resistance, correct? And it started to form the green, red. Then you go in green, red, and then M5, green, red, red, go. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's as simple as that. Okay. It's a toddler class. It's a toddler class. Okay. We don't talk about analysis. We don't talk about any analysis or this let's not talk about what is the trend, this and that, all this thing, or where's the liquidity, where's the supply, where's the demand. Oh no, we don't talk about this. Okay, let's not talk about all this first. Okay, we do this. A very simple one. Okay, a very, very simple one. Okay, so it's just that simple. Okay, so you can make use of this this little theory. Okay, can go and back test. Okay, you can go and back test, especially when you shrink down H4. Okay, you have 1 here, 2 here, 3, 4, 5, okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16, and 17, 18, okay, all of this. Yeah, very simple. So sum up is going to put it this way: H4, red, green, green, red, green and red. This is for selling. This is for selling. Green and red. H1, green and red. M5, green, red and red. Okay, and then H4 you must find the correct position. That means you have to wait for the H4 into the key levels. The green, red has to form in the key levels. The key levels of resistance. Okay, that's the key. That's the main secret of it. All right, got it? Huh? Do you got it? Okay. Yeah. Okay, interesting. You're most welcome. Okay, this is all very, very, very simple thing. To be honest, okay, there's a lot of fundamental theory behind what I just shared. Okay, but I convert all the complicated stuff and I find a way into a very simple explanation. Yeah, to get this. Okay, in fact, until today, I am still using this style. Okay, and in fact, I use this way to build my pot. Okay, so I think it's very interesting, and personally, I find that it's very simple. Of course, there's no 100%. Okay, of course, there's no 100%. All right, so we have to also take note about the SL. Okay, so don't let your SL exceed too much to the extent that it's burning your pots. Not 100 pips. Okay, all right. For my explanation, it applies on the selling. So you revert, you revert it. They become not revert it. You reverse it. It will become a buy. Okay, it will become a buy. Okay, but hang on, Caro. For the gold, you look at the gold, okay, as for the gold, it may not work so well, okay, it may not work so well for the gold. Why? Is because the gold movement is much higher, okay, there's much move there than the currency, correct? Much more movement than the currency. So when you look at, you have to back test a little bit, like this one, okay, you have, by like looking into this is not a very good resistance to take note, okay, but for this, yes, okay, this one, yes, green red is a resistance, right? So it come back, you see the reverse side, okay, let me go out a bit, okay, this one, this is not a very good resistance, right? Because it closed above this resistance and the other resistance up there. But for this one, okay, this one, it will be good, okay, this one will be good, because if you're looking into this, okay, okay, over here, as you can see, the resistance form up here, okay, it tested once here, it has already tested once here, up here, this little one, okay, so green, red, okay, then the red one, okay, this okay, you know, but this is no good. There isn't any key levels, you don't have any selling key levels resistant up there, so no, okay, no. So you see, in terms of the goal wise, okay, sometimes it's not as good as using this, but you can still use this, but you make sure you must find a very good one like this over here, okay, you see the resistance form here. So you will wait for the I will wait for the pullback to test into this resistance, tested, rejected, green, red, come down, okay, from here. So this will be the one. 24th of January, let's look at H1, okay, 24th of January, okay, so when 24th of January comes, you can see green, red, okay, green, red, all this, all right, here. So green, red over here, well, from here, then down here, I have 14 pips, right? So you have to gauge where previously, if you are selling from the resistance, gauging from the previous resistance, so that means to say, I'm going to gauge my potential profits also from the left side of the potential support, the support here, or whichever support along the way you can find. For example, so if I'm going to sell down this, all right, this will be the potential support, and this will be my potential resistance to be broke as my stop. You get what I mean? Okay, so in a way, from this to this is my left side, and 25 pips. This to this will be onto this support, 83 pips. Yeah, so this is how you're going to gauge, right? For another example, and let's say let's pull back a little bit here. Okay, of course I think this is very obvious. Okay, so this is very obvious here. This is a resistance, right? Okay, so over here, okay, this is the one, this is the resistance I'm talking about. So you see, when it went down, it pulls back here, it touches this area, correct, with this high, this wick here, okay, this will be the range of the resistance. So it touches this, okay, so when we look back, okay, over here, okay, green and red, usually when it comes to green and red, we'll start to look out, but the thing is that it opens and closes above the real body of the resistance, but we are in the range, correct, we are in the range of the wick here, correct, we are in the wick here, see, okay, so we are in the range of the resistance. So in the range of the resistance, in the wick, it is usually no good. You have to be below the real body. Okay, so in this case here, okay, yeah, probably from here, Okay, I'll be looking out for some support, which is this area here. Can you see there's a little area here? Okay, this area here. Yeah, so this will be the one. Okay, so if I'm going to sell off, this is the point before it goes in. Okay, in terms of the real body, I have 54 pips, 54. Okay, so this area, of course, you have to look at the timing. For this is a late night, so not really a good one. Okay, yeah. So if this comes in H1, okay, H1. Let's look at this. So H1, is there any green red? There's no green red, correct? So wait. It goes up again, no. Green red, no. Green red, no. Okay. So when it comes in here, green red. Yeah, this is a green red. But we are taking into consideration of the previous resistance here. So this may be a breakout already. So this is also no good. I want it to be below the previous resistance. So this area is not a good selling area. But of course, by looking into this, currently we can see, but in real trading, we cannot see the future. Am I right? So I will not take risks. I will wait for it to break into the resistance. Then I wait for the retest again below the resistance of the real body here. Then I will go for the selling when the green red comes. Okay, so this will be the good one. This will be the good one. This will be the good one. Okay, then I will be going into the selling. Okay, target will be here. So as you can see, it touches, it bounce back. It touches, it bounce back. Okay, so these are the areas. For example, okay, this may be just a classic perfect example, but of course in real trading we won't meet this perfect scenario all the times. Am I right? Okay, so yep. So this is the one. Okay, so when we go to M5, okay, let's take a look at M5. What will be the M5 is like? Okay, so when we look at M5, okay, M5. Now furthermore, sorry, what's the date again? Oh my god, I couldn't remember the date. 19th of January. Okay, so 19th of January. Okay, so backtest a little bit, huh? Okay, 19th of January. Okay, so over here. So as you can see, 19th of January, over here. So just now the H1, it broke out. I say I don't want. So I make sure it comes back. It retests. Now you see the retest. Can you see the retest here? This retest. And it start to break down. It broke up again. It go down again. Okay, this one. Okay, because it closed below. It tested and went down with green, red. Okay. Okay, reasonable. The perfect one will be here. Okay, it went up, retest, and rejected green, red. Okay, the second red candle, this is the one that I will be taking. Okay, so this one, is it okay? Yes, this one is okay, but the support is no longer here, it's here. Because there's a red, greens as a support. So the selling here, I'll be selling to here. Okay, yeah. So when it tested back again, where's the support? The support is here. So from here, I'm going to sell here, 13. Okay, yeah, okay. So over here, here. Okay, you get what I mean? Understand, guys? I don't know if you understand what I'm talking about. Okay, because this is not a proper class. Okay, this is just a sharing. Okay, so I hope you guys can understand what I mean. So with this very simple strategy, very simple, toddler class, yeah. Okay, very simple. Yeah. Okay. Okay. What? You shared this in 2021. you 2021. I don't even remember I shared this in 2021. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Right. Then okay. Okay. Yeah. So that's that's one of the way. Can you understand? I don't know if you can understand what I'm saying now. Carol, can you understand, Carol? Okay. Yeah, because I'm talking about the goal, huh? I'm talking about the goal. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Right. I'm talking about the goal. So roughly. But of course with the goal you have to take note a lot of things. Okay. Goal is very different. Okay. Hi Halloween. 新年快乐，祝你心想事成，财源滚滚。Okay. Yeah. Yes, in currency it looks okay. Gold is a bit more volatile. Exactly. So just now what I'm sharing with my strategy. Okay, this toddler class strategy. Okay. Yeah. What yeah. Let's do it together, man. Let's what together. And today is I heard is the day to welcome the God of wealth, God of fortune, huh? So I wish that he visited you and stay with you. Okay, so I just shared one strategy. Okay, yeah, in currency. Okay, so in currency. Okay, in currency, it like I told you, one of my German guys, this German lady. Okay, yeah, she just used this. She just used this. She forgo all other analysis and she just used this. Yeah, so she maintains 6 to 8 months of profit with 8 to 10K every month. Yeah, so very happy yesterday. Yeah, she called me and then we talked over the phone for almost an hour. So she was telling me that, you know, going through one big round, going through around the world, end of the day, the toddler strategy works for her. Okay. Yeah. So let's try it out. Okay, let's try it out. Okay. So let's see if that will help all of you. Okay. So just remember, it's a very simple. If I'm talking about selling. Okay. Yeah. What account does she have? What do you mean by what account? Just what account? She's on her own. She's not on any prop. Yeah. Okay. And she's using Vantage, my under my affiliates. Vantage standard account. Just the STP account. Yeah. Account size. Account size, she upgraded from 1K. Initial deposit was 1K because she has to report to me. From 1K to now 16,000. So now she's trading. Now she has yesterday she was saying about. Yeah, I think she was saying about she has about 16,000. Yeah, 16,000. So she's trading about 1.4 or 5 lots. Yeah, 1.4 or 5 lots. Yeah. So she will gauge whether is this a good resistance. If that's a good resistance, and she will go for 20 pips, and then she will look at the previous support level, allowing her to get how many pips, and she will decide from there. Yeah. So yeah, so you can try. I mean, that's one. Yeah. Okay. Yes, nice profit with 1.5 lots. Yeah, I also think so. So she is average. Yeah, she was saying the average about 2.2. Okay, about 2.2k a week. So quite good. So quite good. Yeah. Okay. So back to the toddler class. I think she find that it's still very simple. So still very simple. For example, now H4, am I right? H4 we have support, right? We have support. This is pound dollar and pound dollar. So we have support here. H4, red green. H1, we have a red green, correct? Which is on the support. Can you see which is on the support now? On the left side of the support. You can see that. M5. Okay, M5. So we have a red, green, green. Correct? Yeah, so yeah, this is where you will put in the buy. Okay, so if you're basing on M5, you have about 13 pips of space there. Yeah, a very significant resistance here. Okay, yeah, although it should be slightly above slightly above. Yeah, but if you're going to analyze all the liquidity, all the move, all this kind of thing, of course it will be much higher. But with this toddler style, yeah, the quick scalp with a quick scalping here, I think that's good enough. That is where that's how to get it. Okay. Yeah. So again, okay. So can slowly, but of course, with the H1, red, green, has this green stop, has this green close, has this green confirmed as a support? Not yet, am I right? Okay, so it will be still good to wait for the red, green to close. Okay, red, green, close as a support. Then the next green to move, it will be good. That will be the very basic conservative way. But if you're a bit high risk taker with this, like now, yeah, okay, it will be a bit risky. Of course, there will be risks involved. Okay, definitely that will be correct. So just take note. Okay, you need to assess. You just need to assess a little bit. Well, you can try it out. Okay, it's a little sharing from over here. Yeah, you can try it out and see if that works. If that works for you, do let me know and share your joy here with me. Okay, I will be more than happy to receive all your happy review. Correct, am I right? Okay, so that's one. Today looks like today I think okay, is a bit slow, right? Because I see just before the live streaming, it has already yesterday dropped one from CPI, today dropped one another round. Okay, so I'm actually waiting for the price to reclaim, okay, or to reach another level of key levels, another resistance. Okay, yeah, then I'm still waiting. So right now doesn't look like there's something for me to sell when I'm a seller. So by looking into this area here, okay, but H4 looking to support here. Of course, the support may break, okay, but currently maybe looking into some reclamation. Okay, so reclamation to which level? Okay, also is another thing that we need to assess from another strategy, another level. Okay, so make sure. Okay, making sure that I want to be sure, because now it's actually going to create the buy side. It's going to create the buy side. Okay, it's going to create the buy side. Number one, the probability of creating the buy side is because why I say there's a probability to create the buy side is because number one, the drop, the liquidity has created, so they need to claim back. So reclamation is coming. Secondly, we are closing on H4 on the support. Correct? We are closing on the support. So this is one reason to support my probability. Second, okay, there's liquidity up there to be claimed. So that's that's why I'm looking out for. All right. Yeah. So let's see. Okay. Let's take a look whether it will actually comes back. Will it actually bounce back down here to form another support to really go up? Okay. So at the moment right now, as of now, it's like hovering there. The hovering that I'm talking about. So the bear coming down, hover sideways. Once it break out, it should be on the buy side, correct? But this concept is on the M5. It's a very small one, so it's going to be very, very short term. Okay, it's going to be very short term. Okay, so don't expect 100 pips up there, 50 pips up there to take. So it may be only a very short term, right? Yeah. Okay, so guys, you can backtest what I've shared just now. Okay, so what is the time now? I think it should be on the last 30 minutes. On the last 30 minutes of this video. Okay, you can backtest it. Okay, backtest that, and then to see if that works for you. Okay, all right. I hope that works for you, of course. Okay, so from here to here, we have 12 to 13 pips there. Okay, yeah. I hope that works for you, so that whenever we trade together, everybody is making profit together as well. Okay, yep. So I guess that should be all for today, right? So today, once again, Chinese saying that today is a day where the God of Wealth, God of Fortune is coming to visit you. So do remember to capture it. Okay, wish you all the best. Okay, good luck in your New York session with bountiful profits. And I shall see you tomorrow. Okay, same time. Okay, Barclays steal every strategy. Okay, yeah. All right. So yeah. Still. It's open up for you to grow. It's open up on the table. Okay. Yeah. All right. And tomorrow. Yeah. Is tomorrow a good day? Tomorrow. Yeah. Okay. Tomorrow will be another good day to come in here. Okay. Yes. Okay. I'm waiting for God of Fortune with arms wide open. Yes, thank you, JJ. All right. Okay, today you are not hungry. I think I have not. I think there's still a lot of barley soup in me. I don't feel the hunger. Okay. And before the barley soup actually digests, I have to go for another round of barley soup. GDP again. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you so much for being here with me today. Okay, so I shall see you tomorrow again. All right. Thank you so much, and have a good evening. Have a good day, wherever you are. All right. Okay, thank you guys, and see you again. Hey, before I go, remember to smash that like button for me. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, see you again.